Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. I'm here to give y'all another review for another dunk. Now, dunks has slowly became one of my favorite sneakers in my rotation. Even if you look on my Instagram, you see some of my latest pics are the Syracuse dunks, and then I recently just wore the varsity red dunks. It's something about how simple they are, and especially the dunk lows. Dunk lows specifically. I have no problem with the dunk highs, but dunk low is starting to become my go-to. They're just so versatile, and like the regular university colorways just go with pretty much anything. But today, we're gonna be looking at the Dunk Low ceramic, and it has to be one of my favorite, well, I can say it's low-key. It's not really too big. It don't have like a crazy resale. It kind of remind me of the veneer dunk, where it's a cool colorway, but the resale isn't ridiculous, right? We all know that the dunk resale these days are going through the roof with all these collaborations and just how much hype they picked up lately. So if y'all new to my channel, y'all know I pretty much drop all the dunks that come up. I mean, even before the hype, I was dropping out dunk content. Just want to put that out there for a second. But without further ado, let's get into it, man. The Nike Dunk Low ceramic. Let's check it out. Here we have the OG box that it comes with, and this sneaker is not a personal pickup, man. This sneaker was actually sent to me from the homies over at The Real Sneaker Plug. Now, I did a video with them that I'm probably gonna be posting tomorrow. I will have the same shirt in that video just because I'm knocking both of these out the same day. So if you're watching this, okay, after I recorded the video to end today, I did this video. So I did two videos, same tee, the work never stops. Regardless, I had to review these, man, because I did a live cop on sneakers. For you guys who don't know, just about every big release on Nike sneakers, like even on like Yeezy Supply or whatever, if it's a big release, I try to go live and cop that, and I stream it on my YouTube channel. Grab right now and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going live, okay? But like I said, usually it's every big release around like 9 o'clock. I go live an hour before the cop, and then, you know, we'll be all in there chatting, having a good time, and definitely pull up if you're available in the morning. So I went for these and I took an L, and I really wanted them bad. Like, I know a lot of y'all know that orange is my favorite color, and this shoe got orange throughout the entire upper. So let's open these up and get to it. Bow. Now, the mixture of colors in this shoe is crazy. So you do get this vibrant orange, but to cool it down, you kind of get like this dope forest green on the Nike swoosh, and of course you also see it on the back heel by this Nike sign, and then of course you get it on the laces too, that forest green. Very dark, very chill. Now the colorway isn't, like I said, it's kind of like the veneer. It's not like a colorway that a lot of people will be accustomed to liking. I really think a lot of people bought the shoe just to resell it, which I'm not mad, man. It's just pretty much how it is now. But I actually like these for actual wears. I would definitely get a lot of wears out of these, man. I really like the material. Now, I don't know if y'all can see this through the camera or not, but I'm trying to pick this up. So the material that's on the toe box, it's not even like a suede. It's like a rough suede. It's like a rough, smooth suede around the entire shoe. It's not like the leather that's usually on dunks. So I'm gonna just move these to the side, and I'm gonna just grab the dunk that's behind me. I took my dunks off that I wore today, but here we got like the off-white dunks, okay? and it's usually like a leather upper. I mean, this entire upper is nothing but leather quality. But they decided to do something a little bit different this time when it comes to the ceramic dunks. The ceramic dunks kind of have the same thing going on as the dunk low veneer. And the thing is, these to me are somewhat even cooler than the regular ones that have like the good leather. I'm not gonna hold you. There's something about the material on these type of dunks that make me like them a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie. It's the same type of materials on my Nike Dunk SB. What is that? The man, I can't think of the name. The De La Soul. The De La Soul SBs are one of my favorite of all time. Just because I think the material is absolutely crazy. Now this shoe released for only $100. The retail price for dunks are $100, but I believe right now these are being resold from anywhere between $220 to like $260 the last time I checked. I mean, the price could be going up or down by the time y'all watch this video. But even though $240 isn't a lot of money, when this shoe only retails for $100, I ain't gonna hold you. It definitely, you know what I'm saying, is more than the average price. Still think this is worth it though. If any of you guys have this at the crib and you don't want it, hit me up on IG. I respond to my DMs. DM me right now if you have a size 12. I would say 11.5, but dunks run true to size. I don't want to do an 11.5. Size 12 will be perfect. If you have a size 12 and need ceramic dunks, please hit your boy up. I will buy them. Let me know, man. I need them, okay? I need them. But with that being said, guys, let's get into a full in-depth breakdown and review these joints, starting with the outer sole. The outer sole is orange, which I love. Y'all know I love me some orange. It has the orange dunk outer sole. You see the Nike right there in the middle of the logo. Moving up to the midsole, all white midsole, definitely looks clean. But now it brings me back to the point where I was telling you guys about earlier, which is the material on the side of the shoe. I mean, look at that. Bro, this material feels so good, you know? And I'm really big on material when it comes to certain shoes by Nike, just because I feel like, I don't know, they got a certain standard to uphold. You know, I expect certain things when it comes to like the Dunks and the Air Jordan 1s. So these are definitely quality approved from your boy Snipe. Around the toe cap, you get like this orange, the same orange that matches the outer sole. But then on the actual toe box, as you can see, you get a black toe box. And it's got holes in it, so it's definitely perforated, kind of like an Air Force One. As we check out the side panel of the shoe, you get like this forest green Nike swoosh going through the side panel, and then of course it's black right here on the upper of the shoe. By the way, all the material, even including the Nike swoosh and the black, all have the same material as this orange, which is pretty good, might I add. Checking out the back of the shoe, you get the Nike. I mean, it's a staple, okay? The Nike on the back is a staple. The same exact thing on the inner side of the shoe, then we bring it here to the laces. The forest green laces really makes this shoe pop because it also has the forest green Nike on the tongue, and of course the forest green Nike swoosh on the side of the shoe. Now I don't think that this shoe came with any spare laces, which is weird because Dunks always come with spare laces. I could be tripping. Let me look in here, okay? Could be tripping, or maybe they could have bought these used. I don't think they're used, but they could have bought these used. They don't have any spare laces in here, so I don't know. They might come with spare laces, they might not. I'm not really sure. However, I like the way these come laced. I really wouldn't change this for a black, not even for a white, even though white would probably look nice in these. I really like how the forest green looks on these, man. I don't think I would change it at all. Now, what I would love for you guys to do is comment down below and tell me your thoughts and opinions of the Nike Dunk Low Ceramic. And is this a cop or a pass? I had a lot of people in that live cop, man, so I know a lot of y'all probably want to get y'all hands on these. And like I said, it's definitely worth picking up. I'm probably still gonna buy these. Hopefully one of y'all see this video and y'all throw me a lob. I ain't gonna cap. Hopefully, okay? I'm hoping somebody out there has this shoe in a size 12 and don't really like it. Because if that's the case, send it to me, okay? Trust me, I will take good care of them over here. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feel. And until next time, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. But who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.